hydraulic, 35mm front forks support the front end with a rake angle of 26.4 degrees and 3.18 inches of trail, and that lends it the maneuverability you need to manage the generous 61.6 wheelbase. The swingarm itself is a dual-side unit with the usual engine, transmission assembly on one side, and a chill-cast aluminum member on the other. Dual coil-over shocks buoy and tame the rear end and provide the obligatory spring-preload adjustment, but little else, and suspension travel is reasonable for a scooter at 4.3 inches up front and 4.4 inches out back. Tire size also encroaches on motorcycle territory, even if it doesn't quite make it with a 120/70/15 and 150/70/14 on the front and rear, respectively. Brakes are another story. Beamer chucked on dual 265mm front discs with 4-pot anchors and another disc of the same size at back with a single piston caliper and a Continental MK100 MAP 2-channel ABS unit on Overwatch. That's some pretty serious braking ability, and it far exceeds many full-size bikes that weigh half again as much.